Raptors, this week we had a Zoom concert with Emily Vu. Unfortunately for us, Emily had the wrong timing for the concert. It didn't go as planned, but thanks for everyone that tried something new. Raptors digital concerts are something that takes practice to get right. If any of you didn't know, quarter one ends today. Time flies when you're having fun. Make sure to check your grades and student view and talk to your teachers about what you could do to be successful next quarter. We have teachers starting second quarter. Miss McNeely teaching 6th and 7th grade science, and Miss Keller teaching 6th and 8th grade math. Welcome to JMMS. It was Dude Be Nice to Students Week. I hope you did something nice to your fellow students. Next week will be Dude Be Nice to the community. So do something nice for your neighborhood. Pick up the trash you see at the park. Students Week. I hope you did something nice to your fellow students. Next week will be Dude Be Nice to the community. So do something nice for your neighborhood. Pick up the trash you see at the park. Wave and smile at a neighbor from a safe social distance, or even pay for the car behind you in the Starbucks drive-thru. Everyone have a good day.
Even though many high school students and teachers in the state are doing distance learning right now, that doesn't mean they can't share some school spirit and positivity. News 13's Brady Wakayama is here with the message the students are spreading during this tough time.
Kim, their message is simple. Dude, be nice. And it's exactly how it sounds. It's a campaign urging people to be nice to each other.
During Dude Be Nice Week, everybody's up, their spirits are up. It's just a great time of the year.
For the next month, the hashtag Dude Be Nice will pop up all over social media, promoting kindness in the community. Organizers say the Dude Be Nice campaign was originally started by college students in California, but it made its way to New Mexico in 2016, starting at Rio Rancho and Cibola High School. This year, many of the high schools in the metro are participating, with each week of the month focusing on a different way to be nice.
This week is Dude Be Nice to staff and school. Next week is Dude Be Nice to students, and then the week after is Dude Be Nice to the community, and then the week after is Dude Be Nice and Spirited.
This week, the campaign is focusing on teachers and staff. Teachers from El Dorado posted a video sharing why they got into teaching. Now, some local middle schools are also participating in the Dude Be Nice campaign, but on a smaller scale. Kim, back to you.